In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the issue when your Uber promo code is not applying. First of all, ensure the code is valid and hasn't expired. Then check that you have entered the code correctly without any typos or extra spaces. Promo codes are often region specific, so make sure it's valid in your location. Also, some codes are only for new users or specific ride types like Uber XL or Uber Eats. Review the terms and conditions linked to the promo for eligibility details. If the code meets our requirements and still doesn't apply, try removing and re-entering it in the promotions section of the app. Ensure your payment method is up to date and that there are no outstanding charges. Restart the app or try reinstalling it to resolve any temporary glitches. If none of these steps work, contact Uber support through the app for personalized help. They can review your account and help resolve promo related issues directly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to check the description for top products and awesome deals you wouldn't want to miss.